What sets Tufts apart is our experiential opportunities. Our students are exposed to critical public health issues in real time. I can teach the theoretical foundations and the frameworks just as good as anyone else, but until you can apply it to real life and you can see how your work is impacting populations, that's where the rubber meets the road, and we do a really good job of that.
It is a program that guides you through what you'll actually be doing. We're not just talking about theoreticals, like, no, this is how you would use it. We're going out and working with different companies or organizations. As a student, that is part of the program to empower students to make impact.
They want to make sure you can take what you have in the classroom and apply it. When you actually go out into the field, it's like, okay, I've already heard about this, I've learned about it. You're ready to tackle whatever challenge.
To have practical hands-on experience, that's very important to break you into the understanding of where you can improve, where you're going to grow, and what you got right.
By engaging students in my research, it allows them to engage with teams of people who are working globally. It serves as part of their education, which can then be applied in the real world.
Tufts has a great global health program. They have partner sites around the world, and this summer I'll be going to Vellore, India, and developing materials for usage in public health activities.
If I have to be a public health professional, it's all based on the skills you need to have. From the beginning, they guide us to build that skill step by step. If you had seen me from the beginning how I was, now I have so much of confidence in myself. I think that transformation is because of them.
Students at Tufts are not interested in me just lecturing to them, but really it's a very interactive approach. There's a tremendous number of opportunities for internships and for experiential education.
Tufts prepared me for every day of my life. I briefed the Attorney General, and at times I'm like, I'm not qualified to be briefing the Attorney General on anything. And in reality, it's like, yeah, you are, because I attended Tufts and I felt smart enough and confident enough and empowered enough, and it's amazing.
We want students to get practical experience in the field. That's really the core foundation of our program here, teaching students the skills that they need to get out there now, confront these existential threats, and change the world. That's what this is all about, and that's what public health is all about.